earning money online using only your phone is rapidly becoming a staple of modern-day income opportunities. And by 2026, this trend is set to explode. The concept is simple. Leverage the power of your smartphone to access a variety of platforms that enable income generation without requiring any prior experience. The ease of use, accessibility, and low barrier to entry are aspects that make this method appealing for individuals seeking flexibility and autonomy in their work life. By 2026, the landscape for earning online via mobile devices will have evolved significantly due to advancements in technology and increased connectivity. High-speed internet and powerful mobile applications have set the stage for a seamless user experience, making it easier than ever to join the gig economy or start a side hustle right from your phone. The importance of this shift lies in its potential to democratize earning opportunities. Regardless of your location, educational background, or skill set, making money online using a smartphone opens doors that were previously locked by traditional employment constraints. Concrete examples include the rise of short task platforms, where individuals can complete micro-tasks like surveys, data entry, or simple digital errands in exchange for payment. Companies like TaskRabbit have already begun optimizing their platforms for mobile use, embodying this trend. Another prominent example is social media influencing or content creation. Apps like TikTok and Instagram provide monetization opportunities through sponsorships and ad revenue, even to those with no prior experience, as long as creativity and engagement resonate with audiences. However, this landscape isn't without its challenges. One potential pitfall is the saturation of platforms, leading to intense competition. As more people enter the digital earning space, distinguishing oneself might become increasingly challenging. Additionally, there are concerns about the stability of income, as earnings can be highly variable depending on the platform and the individual's engagement. It's also crucial to be wary of scams that promise quick riches, as these undermine the legitimacy of real opportunities. Earning money online using your phone ties into broader economic shifts, such as the digital transformation and the gig economy's growing prominence. This trend supports the pursuit of work-life balance, enabling participants to earn income while managing other responsibilities, such as caregiving or education. As we proceed toward 2026, understanding the nuances of mobile-based earning opportunities will be crucial for those looking to harness their phone's potential for economic gain. Exploring popular online money-making methods begins with understanding how the landscape has evolved to reward those who choose to work smarter, not harder. Today, your smartphone can be your gateway to financial independence. As mobile technology advances, opportunities for earning money online have become more accessible than ever, and many require little to no experience. One prevalent method is participating in online surveys. Companies are constantly seeking consumer feedback to improve their products and services. Platforms like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie allow you to earn money by sharing your opinions. While each survey might offer a modest sum, the flexibility and ease of completing them during spare time make these platforms attractive. Some users have reported earning hundreds of dollars each month by consistently engaging with these platforms. Another popular avenue is the gig economy, where you can offer microservices through apps like Fiverr or TaskRabbit. For instance, you might have a knack for voiceovers, graphic design, or even virtual assistants. These platforms connect you directly with clients needing such services. Sharon, for example, transformed her flair for creating social media graphics into a thriving side hustle on Fiverr, eventually quitting her day job to pursue this full-time. This illustrates how personalized services can turn a simple smartphone into a powerful tool for generating income. However, participating in these online ventures comes with challenges. The gig economy can be competitive, sometimes requiring time to build a reputation before seeing significant earnings. Completing online surveys, though convenient, often demands high participation volumes to achieve meaningful income. It's crucial to manage expectations and explore multiple revenue streams concurrently to maximize earning potential effectively. Furthermore, as the digital marketplace grows, so does the potential for scams. Being vigilant and discerning between legitimate opportunities and frauds is vital. A general rule is to avoid any platform that requests a fee for joining or promises overly lucrative returns for minimal effort. Such propositions are often too good to be true. These methods connect seamlessly to broader themes in the digital economy, such as freelancing's rise and the shifting workforce dynamics toward flexible remote arrangements. The mobile-centric approach to making money underlines a global shift towards integrating technology with everyday tasks, making financial self-sufficiency achievable from practically anywhere. As we dive deeper into the 2026 ecosystem, harnessing your smartphone's power could be your straightforward path to achieving the financial autonomy you desire. To embark on your journey of earning money online using only your phone and without prior experience, it's crucial to start with understanding the basics before moving on to more complex tasks. The first step involves selecting your area of interest. This could be anything from freelancing, such as offering writing or graphic design services through platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, to participating in surveys or engaging in market research through apps like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie. Importantly, choosing something that you find enjoyable or that aligns with your skills can significantly enhance your productivity and overall satisfaction. Once you've identified your area, the next move is to download necessary apps and create profiles. Most platforms will require you to set up a profile that acts as your digital resume. It's important to fill out your profiles completely, as this increases visibility to potential clients or project sponsors. Pay attention to profile pictures and descriptions that present you as approachable and reliable. After setting up your profiles, immerse yourself in the learning curve. You needn't have prior experience, but dedicating time to understand the platform's nuances can add an edge. Watching tutorial videos, participating in online forums, or joining community groups on social platforms can provide valuable insights and troubleshooting assistance. For instance, Facebook groups dedicated to freelancers or online earners can be a treasure trove of tips and shared experiences. The subsequent phase involves the actual initiation of work. For survey and task-based earning apps, this means completing the daily or weekly tasks as they come in. For freelancing, it involves crafting compelling proposals to secure projects. Start small. Aim for simple, quick tasks that will help build your rating and gather testimonials, a crucial step in establishing credibility and attracting more opportunities. One real-world example is becoming a virtual assistant via your phone. This role can range from managing emails and scheduling appointments to more specialized tasks like social media management. Another avenue is becoming an affiliate marketer, promoting products through your social media channels and earning commission on sales made through your links. However, this journey isn't without challenges. The gig economy and app-based earnings can be highly competitive, and pay may not be immediately substantial. Moreover, scammers are a real threat. So, it's essential to only engage with reputable platforms. Despite these hurdles, the flexibility and accessibility of using your phone to earn an income make this a worthwhile pursuit. As you become more adept, you can explore more profitable and complex opportunities, such as launching an e-commerce store directly from your phone or leveraging apps for stock trading. In this evolving digital age, combining patience with continuous learning can transform your phone into a significant tool for financial growth. The landscape of earning money online using only your phone is constantly evolving, and by 2026, advanced techniques have emerged that can significantly maximize your income. One such technique involves leveraging the power of artificial intelligence and automation to streamline tasks that once consumed time and effort. For instance, AI-driven apps can now manage social media accounts, optimize posts for maximum engagement, and even provide real-time analytics to help identify and capitalize on trends. This kind of automation not only enhances productivity, but also allows individuals to manage multiple income streams more efficiently, without needing to constantly oversee each task. Another promising technique involves creating and selling personalized digital products directly through apps on your phone. With advancements in user-friendly platforms for graphic design and digital content creation, anyone can craft unique ebooks, courses, or art, and sell them through online marketplaces or directly to consumers via social media channels. This method of earning is particularly lucrative because it allows for passive income, meaning that you can continue to earn from a single product long after the initial effort of creation. Cryptocurrency and digital assets have also opened up new avenues for income maximization. Mobile apps now offer user-friendly interfaces for trading and investing in cryptocurrencies, enabling users to partake in these markets with minimal prior experience. It's possible to automate trades using bots that capitalize on market fluctuations, further maximizing profit potential. While this can be a highly profitable strategy, it's worth noting the potential challenges. Cryptocurrencies are volatile, and investments carry risks. As with any method of making money online, it's crucial to approach these ventures with caution and a willingness to learn and adapt. To put these techniques into perspective, consider the example of a freelance designer who uses her phone to handle client communications and project deliveries through apps. She can automate her marketing efforts, create and sell her design templates as passive income products, and even invest her earnings in digital assets for wealth growth. Alternatively, think about a social media influencer who utilizes AI-powered tools to maximize engagement, optimize content, and generate significant earnings from sponsored posts and brand partnerships. Advanced techniques for maximizing income demonstrate the growing potential of mobile-based online earning. However, they also highlight the importance of staying informed about emerging technologies and market trends to take full advantage of opportunities. While these innovations offer exciting possibilities, they underline the need for continuous learning and strategic thinking to truly succeed in maximizing income using only a phone. Follow and turn on notifications for daily side hustle gems. Need cash flowing today? Head straight to Bird W. (9) TO5.co